Hello everyone! Today we will discuss the contents of the lesson 47 of the MANABU online textbook. And today we will learn about the so des and the yo des. So let's start the lesson. Lesson 47, sentence patterns. Let's read sentence pattern number 1. Tenki yo ho ni yoru to ashita wa samuku naru sou desu. Tenki yo ho ni yoru to ashita wa samuku naru sou desu. This sentence pattern is an expression of conveying information from another source, or in other words, they say that or I heard that, then without introducing your own opinion. And when the source of the information is given, it is put at the beginning of the sentence, just like in the sentence, Tenki yo ho ni yoru to. So, source of information, particle ni yoru to. So, I heard from the weather forecast, the Tenki yo ho, or according to the Tenki yo ho, according to the weather forecast, it's going to be cold tomorrow. So, conveying information from another source based on the weather forecast or according to the weather forecast. Or if the source of information is a person, you will say that person name, particle ni yoru to. Next, sentence pattern number 2. Tonari no heya ni dareka iru you desu. Tonari no heya ni dareka iru you desu. So, the yo desu pattern is an expression to describe what the speaker has concluded based from observing a situation. For example, in this sentence, Tonari no hiya ni, on the next room, dareka, someone, iru, there is someone on the next room, plus you desu, there seems to be someone on the next room. So based on your observation, you concluded that there is someone on the next room. So based on your observation, for example, you heard a sound or you heard a person's voice, then you will conclude that, oh, there seems to be someone on the next room. And now let's look at more example sentences. Example sentences number 1. Shimbun de yondan desu ga, 1月に日本語のスピーチ大会があるそうですよ。ジェフリーさんも出てみませんか？そうですね。考えてみます。So, 新聞で on the newspaper 読んだんですが I've read on the newspaper 1月に on January 日本語のスピーチ大会 Japanese speech competition があるそうですよ。I heard. So, あるそうです means that I heard. But the source of information is you have read on the newspaper. So, based on the newspaper, or the newspaper says that there's going to be a Japanese speech competition in January. Then, Jeffrey-san mo dete mimasen ka? Would you like to join too, Mr. Jeffrey? So desu ne. Kangaite mimasu. The temimas pattern, if you remember, try to do. Kangaite mimasu, I'll think about it. Example sentence number 2. Andrea-san wa kodomo no toki, Fransu ni sunde ita sou desu. Sore de Fransu go mo wakarun desu ne. So Andrea-san wa, Miss Andrea, kodomo no toki, when she was a child, Fransu ni sunde ita, from the verb sunde imashita, used to live in France. Then, so des, it means that I heard, or they say that. I heard that Miss Andrea lived in France when she was a child. Then, sore de, and so, Fransu go mo wakarun desu ne. She can understand French too. Example sentence number 3. Sony denki no atarashii denshi jisho wa totemo chokai yasuku teいいそうですよ。私ももう買いました。ソニー電気、ソニーエレクトリックの新しい電子辞書。新しい means new, then 電子辞書 electronic dictionary はとても使いやすくて it's very easy to use and いいそうですよ. It's nice. I heard. So, いいそうです. They say that or I heard that. Then, 私はもう買いました. I already bought one. Example sentence number 4. ミルトン先生は厳しい先生だそうですね. A. でも授業はとても面白いですよ. So, ミルトン先生は Mr. Milton or Sir Milton 厳しい先生だそうですね. So, 厳しい先生. Sensei is a noun, so you will put da before so des. 厳しい先生だそうですね. They say that or I heard that Mr. Milton is a strict teacher. A. Yes. でも but 授業はとても面白いですよ. His lessons are very interesting. Example sentence number 5. 賑やかな声がしますね. A. パーティーでもしているようですね. So, he said, 賑やかな. So, 賑やか is an adjective. 賑やかな声, a lively voice. So, it means that they are lively. So, lively voice ga shimasu ne. They are lively. So, you heard their voices, 賑やかな声がしますね. They have lively voice. パーティーでもしているようですね. It seems that, or it sounds like they are having a party or something. パーティーでも. Example sentence number 6. 人が大勢集まっていますね. 事故のようですね. パトカーと救急車が来ていますよ. So, 人が大勢. So, 人, people or person. 大勢 means a large number of people が集まっていますね. 集まっています means gathering. 事故のようですね. So, 事故 is a noun. So, before ようです we will add no. 事故のようですね. It seems like an accident. Then he said, パトカー a patrol car と救急車 ambulance が来ていますよ. So, based on his observation, the patrol cars and the ambulance are coming. So, he concluded that there is an accident. 事故のようですね. And now, let's watch the conversation video. お先に失礼します。
あ、ジャックさん、ちょっと待って、僕も帰ります。
すみません、急ぎますから。
ジェフリーさん、この頃早く帰りますね。どうも恋人ができたようですね。
あ、知らないですか？この間婚約したそうですよ。
誰ですか？相手は？
MAS の鈴木さんですよ。
鈴木さん？
ミルトンさんの結婚式で知らあったそうですよ。
そうですか。
ところで高橋さんは？
僕ですか？僕は仕事が恋人です。
Lesson 47, exercise A. So these are examples of the so des pattern and the yo des pattern. Let's start from the so des pattern. Number 1. 明日は雪が降るそうです. 明日は雪が降るそうです. So 明日は tomorrow 雪が降ります. 雪が降る plus そうです. So you heard. So for example, from the news or the newspaper or over the radio or the weather forecast, I heard that it will snow tomorrow. 雪が降るそうです. Next line. 台風は来ないそうです. So 来ない from the verb 来ません. 来ないそうです. I heard that the typhoon will not come. Next line. 昨日ひどい事故があったそうです. 昨日 yesterday ひどい a terrible 事故 a terrible accident があったそうです. I heard there was a terrible accident yesterday. Next line. Keigao shita hito wa inakatta so desu. So the verb inakatta from imasen deshita. Keigao shita hito, a person who got hurt. So I heard that no one got hurt. Keigao shita hito wa inakatta so desu. Next line. Kotoshi wa natsu ga mijikai so desu. Kotoshi wa this year. Natsu ga summer is mijikai, short. So desu. They say that this year's summer will be short. Next line. Sapporo no yukimatsuri wa kirei da so desu. So kirei is an adjective, so you will use da before so desu. Kirei da so desu. They say that the snow festival in Sapporo is very beautiful. Next line. Ashita no tenki wa kumori da so desu. So ashita no tenki wa the weather or the tomorrow's weather wa kumori. Kumori is a noun. Cloudy. Kumori da so desu. You will use da before so desu. Number 2. Konsato ga hajimaru you desu. Konsato ga hajimaru, the concert will start. Then you desu, hajimaru you desu. It seems like the concert will be starting. So based on your observation, the stage is ready, the instruments are ready. Then you concluded that, oh, it seems like the concert is starting. Next line. Bucho wa jimushu ni inai you desu. So bucho wa, bucho, jimushu ni, in the office. Inai, the verb imasen, is not in the office. Inai you desu. So you concluded based on your observation. Next line. Kino no ban. Kino no ban, ame ga futta you desu. So kino no ban, last night. Ame ga futta, it rained last night. You desu. So you concluded that last night it was raining. So based on your observation, maybe the ground is wet or your car is wet. So you concluded that last night it was raining. Next line. Andrea-san wa shiken ni gokaku shinakatta you desu. So Andrea-san wa, Miss Andrea, shiken ni, on the exam. Gokaku shinakatta. So gokaku shimasen deshita. You desu. Gokaku shinakatta you desu. So for example, you saw Miss Andrea and she was sad leaving the classroom. Then you will say, or you conclude that maybe, or it seems like she failed on the exam. Next line. Soto wa samui you desu. So soto wa, the outside. Samui, cold. You desu. So you conclude that outside is cold because people are wearing thick jackets. Next line. Bucho wa amai mono ga suki na you desu. So suki is an adjective, so suki na you desu. So you saw Bucho eating a lot of sweets. So amai mono. Then you concluded that Bucho seems to like sweets. Amai mono ga suki na you desu. Next line. Okawa-san no hanashi wa honto no you desu. So based on your observation, you think that, or you conclude that Okawa-san no hanashi, story of Mr. Okawa wa honto, is true. Honto no you desu. So that's all for this lesson, guys. Make sure to watch my grammar lesson videos on our YouTube channel for you to understand more about this lesson. So see you guys again next time. Gambatte ne.